Why is there no male birth control pill on the market yet? In a world where gender equality is becoming increasingly paramount, one area remains strikingly imbalanced: birth control. Women have a plethora of contraceptive options, from pills and patches to intrauterine devices, IUDs, and implants. Yet, men are still limited to condoms and vasectomies. This stark contrast raises a pressing question: why? Is there no male birth control pill on the market yet? Historical context: the evolution of contraceptives. To understand the current landscape, it's essential to look back at the history of contraceptives. The first oral contraceptive pill for women was approved in 1960, revolutionizing family planning and women's liberation. Since then, research and development have predominantly focused on female contraception, leaving male options largely unexplored. Biological complexity: the challenge of sperm production, a significant barrier to developing a male contraceptive pill, lies in the biological complexities of sperm production. Unlike women, who release one egg per month, men produce millions of sperm daily. This sheer volume makes it difficult to suppress sperm production effectively without significant side effects. Hormonal balance: the delicate hormonal balance that regulates sperm production is another hurdle. Testosterone plays a crucial role in maintaining libido, muscle mass, and overall well-being. Any intervention that lowers testosterone to reduce sperm production can inadvertently affect these other functions. The science of male contraceptives, where we are now. Despite these challenges, scientists have made significant strides in understanding and developing male contraceptives. Current research focuses on both hormonal and non-hormonal methods. Hormonal methods typically involve the use of testosterone, combined with progestin, a synthetic hormone used in female contraceptives. This combination works to suppress the production of gonadotropins, hormones that stimulate the testes to produce sperm. Clinical trials: some clinical trials have shown promising results. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a combination of testosterone and progestin effectively suppressed sperm production in 96% of men. However, side effects such as mood swings, acne, and weight gain have been significant enough to halt further development. Non-hormonal methods aim to interfere with sperm production, function, or mobility without altering hormone levels. These methods are still in the experimental stages but show promise. Inhibiting sperm mobility: one approach involves compounds that inhibit sperm's ability to swim, preventing them from reaching the egg. For example, a compound called EPO55 binds to sperm proteins, significantly reducing their mobility. Targeting sperm production: another innovative method targets the production of sperm at a cellular level. Researchers are exploring compounds that can disrupt spermatogenesis, the process of sperm production, without affecting testosterone levels. Safety and side effects: a higher bar for men? One of the critical reasons for the lack of a male birth control pill is the stringent safety and side effect thresholds. Female contraceptives are known to have a range of side effects, from nausea and weight gain to more severe risks like blood clots. These side effects, while serious, have been socially and medically accepted due to the significant benefits of preventing unwanted pregnancies. Double standards: in contrast, male contraceptives are held to a higher standard regarding side effects. Studies have shown that men are less willing to tolerate side effects such as reduced libido, mood changes, or physical alterations. This higher bar for safety and tolerability has slowed the development of male contraceptives. Regulatory and funding challenges developing any new pharmaceutical product is an arduous and costly process, often taking over a decade and costing billions of dollars. Male contraceptives face additional hurdles in this arena. Regulatory hurdles. Regulatory agencies like the FDA have rigorous standards for drug approval, requiring extensive clinical trials to prove safety and efficacy. The side effects observed in male contraceptive trials have made it challenging to meet these standards. Funding issues. Pharmaceutical companies are less likely to invest in male contraceptives due to perceived lower market demand and the high cost of development. The contraceptive market has traditionally focused on women who bear the direct physical consequences of pregnancy, making female contraceptives a more lucrative investment. Cultural and societal factors beyond the scientific and regulatory challenges. Cultural and societal factors play a significant role in the development and acceptance of male contraceptives. Gender roles. Traditional gender roles have long placed the responsibility of contraception on women. This cultural norm influences both market demand and individual behavior. Men may be less inclined to use contraceptives due to societal expectations and misconceptions about masculinity and fertility. Perceived responsibility. There is also a perception that men might be less reliable in consistently taking a contraceptive pill. This stereotype further hampers the push for male contraceptive options, as consistency is crucial for the effectiveness of any contraceptive method. Promising developments on the horizon despite these challenges. Several promising developments indicate that a male birth control pill may not be a distant dream. The male pill researchers are working on a daily oral contraceptive for men, often referred to as the male pill. One promising candidate is dimethandrolone undecanoate DMAO, a compound that suppresses sperm production. Early trials have shown that DMAO can effectively reduce sperm count with manageable side effects. However, more extensive trials are needed to confirm its safety and efficacy. Non-hormonal pills. Another exciting development is non-hormonal pills, such as the one being developed by researchers at the University of Minnesota. This pill targets a protein in sperm cells critical for their movement and function, effectively rendering them immobile. Early tests in mice have been promising, but human trials are necessary to determine its potential as a viable contraceptive. Long-acting reversible contraceptives. LARCs. Long-acting reversible contraceptives for men are also in development. Vasectomy, a polymer gel injected into the vas deferens, the duct that carries sperm from the testicles to the urethra, blocks sperm transport. The procedure is similar to a vasectomy, but is designed to be reversible. Early studies in animals have shown that vasectomy is effective and reversible, with human trials planned. Long-acting reversible contraceptives. LARCs. Long-acting reversible contraceptives for men are also in development. Vasectomy, a polymer gel injected into the vas deferens, the duct that carries sperm from the testicles to the urethra, blocks sperm transport. The procedure is similar to a vasectomy, but is designed to be reversible. Early studies in animals have shown that vasectomy is effective and reversible, with human trials planned. The future of male contraception. The journey to a male birth control pill is complex, and multifaceted, involving biological, regulatory, cultural, and economic challenges. However, continued research and changing societal attitudes toward shared contraceptive responsibility offer hope for the future. Shared responsibility, as gender roles evolve and more men express a desire to take an active role in family planning, the demand for male contraceptives is likely to increase. This shift in attitude can drive further investment and research into male contraceptive options. Innovative approaches. Researchers are exploring innovative approaches beyond traditional pills, including gels, injections, and implants. These methods may offer effective and reversible contraception with fewer side effects. Public awareness and education. Increasing public awareness and education about the importance of shared contraceptive responsibility can also play a crucial role. Men need to be informed about the potential options and their role in preventing unintended pregnancies. Conclusion: the absence of a male birth control pill on the market is not due to a lack of effort or interest, but rather the result of numerous scientific, regulatory, and societal challenges. However, the landscape is changing, and there is hope that male contraceptives will become a viable option in the near future. As research continues and societal attitudes shift, the dream of a male birth control pill may soon become a reality. This development would not only provide men with more control over their reproductive health, but also contribute to more equitable and shared responsibility in family planning. In the meantime, it's crucial to support ongoing research, challenge traditional gender roles, and advocate for a broader understanding of contraceptive responsibility.